Hi, this is Teri Shaub, Motion Product Manager for C&E Advanced Technologies, bringing you a pneumatic product moment featuring Aignep's Universal Quick Disconnect. There are three major types of air couplers in North America: industrial, aero, and true fleet. Some facilities have all three, and it can be very frustrating trying to figure out which is which. Well, not anymore. Aignep's Multisocket works with all three. This unique design comes in three sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, with MPT, male, female, or a barbed hose fitting. It features 3 MBR O-ring seals, as well as a stainless steel spring and retainer for superior sealing. The standard construction is nickel-plated brass, but it is also available in a stainless steel version in the 1/4 inch body size. That's Aignep's Multisocket Universal Quick Disconnect. For information on this or any of the other cool and interesting products from Aignep, please reach out to your technology consultant with C&E Advanced Technologies.